What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out a budget hotel in Phnom Penh, the White Corner Hotel. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, live blues, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
So it's on a corner here on Street 300. It's near Olympic Stadium in BKK area. Look at this front entrance. These trees are so nice with little white flowers. It's a great way to walk in. So the room includes breakfast. So let's take a look at what they have for the breakfast buffet here. So coffee and juice, water. Here you could make a toast and so fried rice, steamed rice, little sandwich. Grilled tomato, fries, veggies. Egg. Over here there's another table, cereal, fruit, and you could make a salad. Alright, let's go take a look at the room. So mine's on the first floor, so I just take the stairs because it's a quick little saves electricity and it's quicker. They even have a sign that says here. Pretty regular hallway. Get all the normal stuff, a kettle and comb, toothbrush, shower cap, instant coffee, water, some cups. There's a little fridge down there. Now we're not that high up, so the view isn't anything special. So you get a robe, a safe, and they have flip-flops down there. So it's the morning now. I already slept here last night and it was great. It was very quiet. The air conditioner's just right above the bed there, so it's just perfect spot. No one bugging me. There's someone at the desk all night long. I played a show last night, so we got back at like 12:30, like after midnight. And there's a guy sitting at the desk. I think they're there 24 hours. And there's security sitting out front. I guess they're watching the motorbikes that are parked there and stuff like that. And so it's a great option for me because the whole reason I come back to Phnom Penh now, after living in Kampot now, I only come back for gigs. And so I need a place that you can come back at any time, like very late. And this is a nice, just big hotel on the corner, and the door is wide open, and there's a guy at the desk all the time, so you can just walk in, and it was so easy. I noticed they have more signs here about saving electricity for the planet. And they have 3 things they're talking about there. One of them is water, electricity, and towels. Because using up too many towels or trying to wash them every day, it wastes electricity and water. So yeah, I booked this place through the Agoda app. I've been using that app for so long, I've climbed up the tiers and I'm like a platinum member, so I get really good deals, or sometimes they'll have a counter counting down and it's a really good deal that you can only get for the next hour, or flash deals and pop-up things, and I found this place like that. And so it was only $16, but it includes breakfast. And as you saw, it's like a breakfast buffet. So if you factor that into the price, it's almost like an $11 hotel, and the breakfast is $5 or something. And I like that it's buffet style, so it's not just here's half a slice of toast and a hot dog or something, and they decide. Like I can pick whatever I want and eat as much as I want of each whatever thing and all that. So I'd highly recommend it if you need a budget hotel for less than $20 a night. Search for the deals, search for the promotions, and check out White Corner. It's in a really good location. I'll post a picture of the map here. That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.